Hello everybody, welcome. My name is Abir. Today we'll discuss on the topic of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So guys, in the previous last video we have discussed so many methods of the Gandhiji, and today we will discuss on the topic of Jallianwala Bagh. Jallianwala Bagh Qatl or the massacre. So guys, one day of Bisaki, one day, one day of Bisaki harvest festival. Thousands of people, mostly from nearby villages, had gathered at Jallianwala Bagh, Amritsar, to celebrate their harvest festival Bisaki April 13, 1999. So maybe in future, and you have found in your book that what is the 1919, or you can say 13 April 13, 1919, what is the main issue, or you can say what was the a drastical problem, or you can say it was a big horrible news throughout the country that when General Dyer had fired on the people during they are celebrating their Besaki. So Besaki means harvest festival. When thousands of people they were in Amritsar in Jallianwala Bagh. So Amritsar to celebrate their harvest festival Besaki April 13, 1990. Most of the people were unaware of the fact that the city was under curfew. So guys, before we discuss this topic illustrately, I would like to remind you that we have found that Ralt Satyagrah. So it was the act which was made by the British government, that the act attempt to curb civil rights through a system of special courts and detention without for maximum of 2 years. The act immense powers to the police and so naturally created panic. Almost all the political parties opposed this Ralt Act, and the popular slogan was chanted, no appeal, no vakil, no dalil. So guys, when the people they have gathered in Jallianwala Bagh, they don't know that their the curfew has been we are under the curfew and the whole of the city is under the curfew. But some people of the Congress, or you can say they also some leaders, they know that today is curfew, but they know that the people will be gathered in Jallianwala Bagh, and it's our best opportunity, and that we will inspire people and message them and convince them that what is the right act, and it is not suitable to our life, or you can say the whole of the nation. So the common people, they don't know that the whole of the city is under the curfew. So some leaders and their followers also gathered in Sam Bagh to protest against the arrest of the leaders. So many leaders had been arrested during that period, and some people have also gathered there to protest against the arrest of the leader. So guys, Dr. Saifuddin Kijlu and Dr. Satyapal Malik, General Dyer, without any provocation, without any declaration, without any alarm and warning, give an order to fire, killing hundreds of people. Through government claimed that only 379 people were killed. But guys, we are discussing about the topic of the Jallianwala Bagh, in which we found the people or the whole of the nation are celebrating their harvest festival in Jallianwala Bagh. They don't know the city is under the curfew, and also some later they have. Also gathered there only because of the some leader had been arrested by the British government through the act of the Ralt Act, and they have gathered there only because of the to protest the British government. And also they think that it's our best opportunity that we will convince people that Ralt Act is not suitable, or we can say that we have need to protest against this act. So guys, without proclamation, without any proclamation, without any declaration, General Dyer have ordered ordered to fire upon the people, and according to the official report, so we found the status, or you can say, according to the survey of the official, we found that 379 people were killed it, but there were more than 15, some says 1500 people, some said 15,000. That's why, because when General Dyer has ordered the soldiers that fired upon them, the main gate they have closed, and they have started their, you can say, the atomic rifles, and so many people have been died during at that place where right now it's our museum, or you can say it is an historical place where all the people realize that how many people they have died for our nation, how they have united our nation, how they have freed our country, and what kind of the problem have they have faced at that time. So guys, the Bagh was surrounded by high walls, and the only gate was manned by Dyer's army. Many women jumped into the well, and also guys, you will find there that there is a well. So when the forces they have closed the main gate, and the walls were very high of the Jallianwala place, so it's very difficult to that the people they will fly from the walls. But some people, when the General Dyer who have ordered the soldiers that fired on the people, so many jumped into the well. That's why, because it was the terrible, or the, I can say, it was the horrible situation. So no one know that how we can defend ourselves, or we can say how we can protect ourselves. So some people have jumped into the well. So the massacre, the Jallianwala Bagh Qatl, exposed the true nature of the colonial rule. So from that place, the whole of the people know that this is the colonial rule, and this is the from theirs it has been exist. Jallianwala Qatl, or you can say massacre of the Jallianwala Bagh, had totally exposed the true nature of the colonial rule, that if we are right now under the British government, that this is the result, or right now we are taken like such credit from the colonial rule. So we from here, the people have inspired, the people have totally anger against the British government to oppose them, and to free to take complete Swaraj, or the complete independence. It was condemned worldwide. Under pressure, the government appointed any inquiry commission headed by Hunter. So if this problem is this issues, or you can say when the British government who have killed it so many people of the nation, and finally the British government had appointed an Hunter commission to inquire that it is true or not. So guys, as expecting, nothing serious came out from the inquiry. Any English newspaper of the England, the morning protest even collected fund to defend General Dyer. So guys, where we found that no any papers of the British government who have published like such news in paper, and all the paper protect the General Dyer, and the commission also support the General Dyer. So guys, the upper house of British Parliament, House of the Lords, proceed General Dyer. Rabindranath Tagore was hurted by the irresponsible behavior of the elders and returned the knighthood award. Gandhiji was shocked and decided to withdraw Ralt Satyagraha on April 9, 1899. So guys, here we found that the upper class of the British who have also support the General Dyer, but Rabindranath Tagore who feel hurt at the time and irresponsible behavior of the elders, and returned the knighthood awarded. So also Gandhiji shocked and decided to withdraw Ralt Act. So guys, this discussion is all about the Jallianwala Bagh. So guys, I hope I have provided you here some some pictures which I have taken during the visitation, during when I have visited in Amritsar Jallianwala Bagh. So here you found bullets marks. So here you are looking, this is the wall, and in this place what kind of the rifle, or you can say what kind of the rifle or the bullet they have used at that time. So this is the picture of the Jallianwala Bagh, in which you will find the factual history of the Jallianwala Bagh. So guys, another picture is in front of you, that shoot, sorry, here should be the shooted, SHO, the shooted people from this place. So this is लोगों पर गोली यहाँ से चलाई गई. This is the place from where so you will find when you will be visit there in Amritsar, you guys will also find that this symbol is in front of the gate of the Jallianwala Bagh. So from where who have started firing upon the people. So the last and the third one picture in front of you, that bullet marks on the wall. So there is the bullet marks right now. If you will visit anytime, you will find that these all the marks of the bullet you will find on the wall of the Jallianwala Bagh. So guys, the last one here is wells of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So guys, you found this is the well that so many people they have jumped into the well. That's why, because there is no chance to defend themselves, so they have jumped into this well. And right now it's our just like as a museum, and all the people of the nation, they visit there and realize that how the people have been sacrificed for our nation, and we have need to unify our nation. There should be no any discrimination among the race, among the color, among the any community or the class. That's why, because we all the people of the nation had struggle against the British government and freed our country. So this is the example, or you can say Jallianwala Bagh is the main example to unite the nation, to establish brotherhood, to establish equality, to establish the rights of the constitution of our native and of our nation, from all the community or the classes of the country. So guys, I hope that I have provided you good material about the topic of the Jallianwala Bagh. I have given you so many references, and also the pictures, through which pictures you don't forget anytime this type of the question. If like such question will ask you in your exam, you have write down all the material what I have provided you. So guys, in the end, I heartily request you that please share my channel, please subscribe my channel, and share my videos. And here you found that subscribes my channel and share videos. My channel name is Educator Abid. So I hope that you will be subscribe my channel and share videos. That's why, because through which my channel will be grow, and in future I would make like such lectures, videos, and will be provide you a good motivation towards your goal and achievement. Thank you very much.